Hello friends, this is Peter Stone. I've got an amazing offer on free jewelry for wholesale buyers. This is an amazing business referral program. There's no fees, no hidden costs, no nothing. This is so simple. You will get a page, a banner, a link that you can share on Facebook. You can share it on Twitter, you can share it in an email, you can share it on any social media that you like. In this link, when your friend, your other business, the person is in business, it doesn't matter, down the street, in the other side of the city, on the other side of the state, on the other side of the country, or on the other side of the world. This is a worldwide program. No fees, remember, no fees. The first person that buys jewelry based on clicking on your link will track back to your account. You'll get 15% credit on that sale. So for example, the first sale was $500 for company A. You got $75 credit into your account. Company B bought $1,000. Now you have $150 that went into your account. Company C bought $300. That's $45 that goes into your account as soon as that's paid. This credit is only for jewelry. It is not for shipping or anything else. Strictly for jewelry at wholesale price. Now, the best part comes is when that customer reorders, you're sleeping at night, you wake up in the morning, that customer paid online by credit card, you get a recurring every time that customer orders again and again, this year, next year, the year after, you get 10% of every sale they place, every order they make, no matter what size, it has to be our minimum, no matter what size of that order, you take away 10% into your account, direct credit as soon as we get that money. It couldn't be simpler. This is so simple, fast, easy, no fees, no hidden cost. Get your name in our system, get the link, your specific link that when anybody clicks on it, you'll get that credit and the report will go in there automatically. This is an amazing. This tracking link is built right in. You can copy and paste it anywhere. So check it out. You're going to love it. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-397-8787, or email us. You can go to the Contact Us button at the website and send us an email. Thank you.